outdoor fashion? Sure, it's comfortable and durable, but the moment you wear it, it feels boring and outdated. Functionality? Great, but the designs? Same old story. Without the logo, they are indistinguishable. In a world full of bold and unique choices, who will want this kind of outdoor fashion? We'll show you something new. Functionality, redefined. Designs, breaking the rules. Bold and unconventional fashion. The new name for outdoor, off-road. Off-road.